How to add a thumbnail in Facebook video without Creator Studio. To add a thumbnail to your Facebook video without using any Creator Studio, you can use this short video for a guide. To choose a thumbnail from the video itself, if you are uploading from the mobile app, then Facebook automatically selects a thumbnail from the video. However, during the upload process, you can play the video, pause it at a specific frame, and use that frame as your thumbnail. This method requires patience as you need to pause on the exact frame you want. So simply launch your Facebook, tap on the post option, choose a video that you want to upload, and then pause wherever you want the frame. As I said, this method requires patience as you need to pause on the exact frame you want. In this way, you can add thumbnail in Facebook video without using Creator Studio. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.